Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Pharma Basic. Today we are going to discuss about the pharmaceutical dosage form and its classification. So what is the pharmaceutical dosage form? Pharmaceutical dosage form are nothing but the final pharmaceutical product which are we used. These are the pharmaceutical dosage form. For example, tablet, capsule, suspension, emulsion, paste. These are the pharmaceutical dosage form. This pharmaceutical dosage form may be medicated or non-medicated. Some are for use for beautification, some are for cleansing, some are medicated. So these are the pharmaceutical dosage form. So now we are going to discuss about the definition of pharmaceutical dosage form. So what is the definition of pharmaceutical dosage form? Pharmaceutical dosage form are defined as the by which the drug molecule or API delivered to the site of action to produce the optimum desired effect with the minimum adverse effect. That means pharmaceutical dosage form are defined as the by which the drug molecule are delivered to the site of action to produce the optimum desired effect with the minimum adverse effect. This is the definition of the pharmaceutical dosage form. Pharmaceutical dosage form are the final product which can be dispensed, marketed, which are dispensed, marketed, and administered. Dosage form contain two ingredients. One is API, another one is excipient. So what is this API? API is defined as the pharmaceutical product which shows the medicinal and therapeutic effect. API is the main ingredient which shows the therapeutic effect and medicinal effect. And it will, this part only help in the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of diseases. This API is responsible for diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of any diseases. So what about the excipients? Excipients are nothing but these are the inert pharmaceutical product or ingredients which are used along with the API. So why these are we use excipients? So these excipients are used for proper handling, packaging, or maintain the stability of the drug or increase the palatability of the drug. So next we are going to discuss about the classification of dosage form. Dosage form are classified into the many types on the basis of physical form, according on the basis of route of administration, on the basis of site of application, and on the basis of uses. So now we are going to first discuss about the physical form. So according to physical form, dosage form are classified into the mainly four types. First one is the solid dosage form, semi-solid dosage form, liquid dosage form, and gaseous dosage form. In solid dosage form, it is again divided into two. First one is the unit solid dosage form. So this is unit solid dosage form. Second one is the bulk solid dosage form. In unit solid dosage form are unit in size, and we can have to take one or two units one at a time. For example, tablet, capsule, etc. And what about this bulk solid dosage form? In bulk solid dosage form, these are the powders. Bulk solid dosage form, these are the powders, snuff, dentifrice. So now coming to the semi-solid dosage form. In semi-solid dosage form, this dosage form are in the semi-solid form. So semi-solid dosage forms are the ointments, creams, gels, paste. So these are the semi-solid dosage form. So now coming to the liquid dosage form. Liquid dosage form also divided into two types. So monophasic liquid dosage form. Monophasic means there is one phase will be there. Another one is in monophasic one phase will be there. In one phase only drug molecular mixed. And second one is the biphasic liquid dosage form. In biphasic liquid dosage form, here two phase will be there, the medicine. In monophasic liquid dosage form, these are the syrup, drops, elixirs, cylinders. These are the monophasic liquid dosage form. Now coming to biphasic liquid dosage form. Biphasic liquid dosage form are two. These are suspension and emulsion. Suspension and emulsion. So next one is the gaseous dosage form. In gaseous dosage form, these are mainly aerosols, inhalers, this one only. For example, deodorants, nebulizer. Next one is according to the route of administration. So there are several routes of administration will be there. According to this, dosage form are divided into the oral dosage form, parenteral dosage form, nasal dosage form, sublingual dosage form, topical dosage form, ophthalmic dosage form, rectal dosage form, and vaginal dosage form. Oral dosage form, these are the drugs taken through the mouth or oral cavity. These are the oral dosage form. For example, tablet, capsule, syrup. Most of the drugs are taken through this oral dosage form only. So next one is the parenteral dosage form. In parenteral dosage form, drugs are mainly given by the IV, IM, subcutaneous, intrathecal, and intradermal. So these are the mainly routes of parenteral. These are given through the injection or infusion. For example, multivitamin injection, sodium chloride solution, dextrose 5% solution, dextrose 10% solution. Then after coming to the nasal dosage form. Nasal dosage form are defined as those are given through the nose. For example, nasal drop, nasal spray, aerosols. These are the nasal drugs. Next one is the sublingual. Sublingual dosage form or the dosage form. These are should kept under the tongue or in between the gums. For example, sublingual tablet, lozenges. Then after coming to the topical dosage form. In this topical dosage form, these drugs are applied outside of the body. For example, mostly on the skin. Those are called topical dosage form. These are example of topical dosage form: ointments, creams, lotions, paste, gel. These are the topical dosage form. Then after coming to the ophthalmic dosage form. Ophthalmic dosage form are the dosage form which are used in the eye. For example, eye drops, eye ointments, eye gels. Then after rectal dosage form. Rectal dosage form, these are the dosage form which are used in the rectum of a patient. For example, suppositories, ointments, creams. Then after the vaginal dosage form, this dosage form or medicines are used in the vaginal canal of a patient. So for example, suppositories and pessaries. These are the vaginal doses. Now we are going to discuss about on the basis of site of application. So many drugs are applied on the different site of our body. For example, skin. In skin, so most of the drugs are topical drugs like ointment, creams, paste. Then after apply on the eye. So these are called ophthalmic. Therefore, eye drops, eye gels, eye ointments. These are. Then after coming to the ear. So most of the drugs are used in the ear only. Therefore, ear drops. Then after the foot. So many drugs are used in the foot. So those are made for application on the foot only. So many foot care creams will be there. Then after especially for hand. For example, hand wash. Then after the hair, made for used in the hair only, like shampoo, gel. Then after oil. These are used for hair only. So next one is the nose. So many drugs are used in the nose. For example, nasal drop, aerosols, etc. Last one is on the basis of uses. On the basis of uses, drugs are classified into two. First one is for internal use. Second one is for external use. For internal use, drugs are which are taken inside of our body. For example, tablet, capsule, suspension, solution, all these which are taken through our mouth. These are all comes under the internal medicines. Some drugs are used outside of our body, mostly in topical drugs. Those are called as external dosage form. Those are ointment, creams, gels, hand wash, shampoo, paste. These are external drugs. So these are the simple introduction about the dosage form, its classification. So if you have any doubts, you can comments below. And if you like our video, please do like, comments and share our videos and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.